AI models what types of data search from the data lake for patterns using Python library. In Python, there are several libraries and tools commonly used to search for patterns in data stored in a data lake. Some of these libraries include Pradeep K. Suri, author and researcher. 1. Pandas. This library is extensively used for data manipulation and analysis. You can use it to load data from various sources, including data lakes, and perform pattern matching, filtering, and analysis. 2. PySpark. If your data lake resides in a distributed environment, example Hadoop, PySpark can be a great choice. It provides powerful tools for working with large-scale data processing and querying. You can use Spark's data frame API for filtering and analyzing patterns within your data. 3. Dask. Similar to PySpark, Dask is another parallel computing library that enables task scheduling and parallel execution for big data processing. It allows you to work with data frames and arrays larger than memory, making it suitable for data lake analysis. 4. Regex, remodule for pattern matching within textual data. Python's remodule offers support for regular expressions. It allows you to define and search for complex patterns within strings. Here's a brief example of using pandas to load data from a file within a data lake and perform pattern matching. Python. Import pandas SPD. Hashtag load data from the data lake, example CSV file. Data equals pd read underscore CSV, path underscore to underscore your underscore data underscore file.csv. Hashtag search for a specific pattern in a column using regex. Pattern equals are your underscore pattern underscore here. Matches equals data column underscore name.str contains, pattern, na equals false. Hashtag display the matched rows. Print, matches. Remember, the exact approach would depend on the specifics of your data lake setup, the nature of the data stored, and the patterns you're looking to identify. Each of these libraries has its strengths and is suited for different use cases within the realm of pattern searching and data analysis in a data lake context. Patterns offer several advantages across various fields and applications. 1. Identification and prediction. Patterns help identify regularities or recurring structures within data. This can aid in predicting future occurrences or behaviors based on historical trends, essential in fields like finance, weather forecasting, and predictive maintenance. 2. Understanding complex systems. Recognizing patterns in complex systems, such as biological processes or economic behaviors, helps in understanding their underlying mechanisms and relationships. 3. Data compression and representation. Patterns allow for efficient data compression by representing recurring sequences compactly. This is crucial in data storage, transmission, and image/audio/video compression. 4. Decision-making and strategy. Identifying patterns in market trends, consumer behavior, or social interactions assists in making informed decisions and formulating effective strategies for businesses, governments, and organizations. 5. Anomaly detection. Patterns also aid in anomaly detection by highlighting deviations from expected behaviors or trends. This is critical in fraud detection, cybersecurity, and fault monitoring systems. 6. Pattern recognition in AI/ML. In the realm of artificial intelligence and machine learning, patterns serve as the foundation for training models. Recognizing patterns in data allows algorithms to learn and make predictions based on new, unseen data. 7. Efficient problem solving. Recognizing patterns in problem solving can lead to the development of generalizable solutions. This applies to diverse fields such as mathematics, computer science, and engineering. 8. Creativity and art. Patterns often inspire creativity and are prevalent in art, design, and aesthetics. They contribute to creating visually appealing compositions and artistic expressions. Overall, patterns facilitate comprehension, prediction, and decision-making across various domains, providing a structured way to interpret and derive insights from data or phenomena. Thank you.